Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders, I have a very adventurous and beautiful story for you, and it is very inspiring also because this story is of William Ivy Baldwin. William Ivy Baldwin was a resident of Houston, Texas in America, and he was a balloonist, astronaut, and a tightrope. He used to walk on ropes, high wire performer, right? So he did his tightrope walking at the age of 82. Yes, my dear friends, at the age of 82, and that was in the year 1948, and he died at the age of 87. He has left his heavenly body. However, he has given us such an inspiration. I mean, just imagine walking on a rope across the canyon, and that too at the age of 82. Many of you youngsters who are in their 20s or 30s, or maybe in teens, they are not able to walk. Am I correct? And even if the person is very experienced, they would also afraid walking at that age. So he has just proved age is just a number, right? Again. So isn't it inspiring and motivating? So if anyone will say, I just cannot dance, or dancing is a very small thing, walking on rope, right? So please share this story. It's really inspiring and motivating. Also, I'll be posting the link of Wikipedia. You can definitely go through his inspirational story if really interested, because he has got many awards, many achievements, and he has got so many recognitions in his life, which is worth reading. And one more thing I would like to tell you about my wellness mantra today, continuing to insomnia series. So first we have discussed about timing. It is as per moon and sun, that is 10 to 2 is the proper timing. Then we have discussed about digestion process. Our digestion should happen much before. It is only for people who are suffering from insomnia, they need to follow this. However, those who are healthy, they can also implement this healthy lifestyle to stay healthy, young and fit forever. And third is, it is also very important not to watch any blue screens and reduced lighting after sun is sunset. There should be reduced lighting. Nowadays we are with the invention of electricity, we have huge lights, so make sure you are only switching on yellow lights or maybe night lamp for your reading. And it's better if you will only light candle or lamp, I mean that घी का दिया जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, right? So this lamp, light lamp, so if you will light that lamp, that will be very good in the night, right? It burns your all the negative energies also, as I have discussed that we should burn candles, incenses, right? Rather than, instead of incenses, we should burn candles in the night, so fragrant candles or something. So that will be very good to use after sunset. And you will see the changes in your body, and you will have a better sleep. So if you really want to sleep peacefully, just don't consume any media, so or social media or maybe television media. Please stay away from those screens. Also consume good things like reading good material, positive affirmations, or journaling, writing gratitude. You will sleep better, right? So we will end this insomnia series here only, and we will continue with the moon series, because this full moon is a harvest moon. So I'll discuss with you tomorrow what is it about, and we can have wellness mantras on this. So thank you so much, gratitude always, and see you. Bye bye, take care.